Hey friends, welcome back. Today we're making something soft, chewy, and just a little bit magical. Homemade berry mochi. Let's kick things off with the filling. Into a small saucepan, pour some water, toss in fresh berries, and sprinkle in sugar. Simple, right? Now, full disclosure, this is actually my very first time making mochi. So if it turns out great, awesome. If it doesn't, well, at least you'll get to laugh at my mistakes. Bring it to a gentle boil, and once the berries start popping, mash them down with a spatula, like you're releasing stress after a long day. Now stir in a little agar-agar. That's our magic trick to turn this juicy goodness into a gel. Pour it into a cup or bowl and let it chill. We'll repeat the same process for the second filling. Because one flavor of mochi? Cute. Two flavors? That's a party. Alright, let's move on to the mochi dough itself. In a bowl, add a pinch of salt, some sugar, and milk. Mix until everything dissolves. Next, add sweet rice flour and a splash of oil. Stir until smooth. This is where mochi magic begins. We're making two colors today, so divide the batter and add just a couple drops of food coloring. Not too much, unless you want your hands to look like you lost a fight with a unicorn. Microwave each bowl for about 2 minutes at medium power, around 750 to 800 watts. Pull it out, let it cool a bit, and get ready for the fun part. Now, quick question. Have you ever made mochi before? Or am I the only one fumbling around here? Let me know in the comments. I could use the moral support. Before we shape them, dust the table with rice flour so nothing sticks. Flatten a piece of dough, spoon in the berry filling, and pinch the edges closed like a little dumpling. Roll it into a ball, and there you have it, your first homemade mochi. Is it perfect? Probably not. Is it delicious? Oh, absolutely. And that's it. Mochi with a chewy shell, sweet berry heart, and the satisfaction of making it from scratch. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this little experiment, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around for more sweet adventures.